Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start implementing CRM strategies with Salesforce, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start implementing CRM strategies with Salesforce, begin by defining your business objectives. Identify what you hope to achieve with your CRM system. Establish clear goals tailored to your organization's needs. Next, assess your current processes and data management practices. Evaluate how data flows through your organization. Determine which data points are crucial for your CRM strategies. Once you have your objectives and data assessment, create a project plan. Outline the key milestones for implementation. Assign roles and responsibilities to your team members. Now, sign up for a Salesforce trial account. Explore the different Salesforce editions to find the right fit for your needs. Once you've chosen an edition, set up your Salesforce environment. Customizing your Salesforce setup is essential. Begin by adding your company information and branding. Then, customize the objects to fit your business model. Create custom fields, page layouts, and record types as necessary. After customization, import your existing data into Salesforce. Use Salesforce's Data Import Wizard or Data Loader tool. Ensure your data is clean and properly formatted before importing. Now, it's time to configure user access and permissions. Set up profiles and roles based on the team structure. Ensure that users only have access to the data they need. Next, integrate Salesforce with other tools your team uses. Consider connecting email, marketing platforms, and customer support tools. This will streamline your processes and improve data sharing. Then, create automation workflows to enhance efficiency. Utilize Salesforce's Process Builder to set up automated tasks. This can save time and ensure consistency in customer interactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.